और बताओ।
I love your song, यही गुजार दूं.
थैंक यू सो मच.
So amazing.
We are here making music. This is my first break after coming out of Big Boss, but we're still working, finishing some songs, recording some ideas for the next few singles. आप लोग बताओ क्या हो रहा है? So a few questions or anything if you get there more.
Yeah.
Ask me. I can't see.
You can't see.
No.
Everyone is saying Eid Mubarak.
Eid Mubarak, Eid Mubarak. What's up? I hope सबकी ईद अच्छी थी. मेरी ईद बहुत अच्छी थी. मैं से सो रहा था. So पहले तो big thank you to all of you all for making यही गुजार दूं so popular and making the video cross such a landmark milestone for me, my label. Big thank you. Love you guys for that. बस अभी थोड़ा बहुत I know आप expect कर रहे हो कि मैं reels will shoot करूँ and you know I put some content but I've not been able to because काफ़ी सारे गानों पे काम कर रहा हूँ, next singles पे, एक दो films पे, so time लगता है but I will soon take out some time to shoot some reels and I don't know कब Farhana and I can shoot but I think I've told her also वो भी कहीं अपना time मिलेगा तो she'll also shoot. Everything is good guys, आप tension मत लो. क्या है ना, everyone has their journey. मैं अपना काम कर रहा हूँ, वो अपना काम कर रहे हैं, सब लोग जितने लोग इस सीजन आए थे everyone doing their work. So don't think कि कोई दोस्त नहीं है या you know me and Basir are also good, me and Zishan are also good, me and Shehbaz are too good. So don't worry about those things.
Everyone
Happy
is
life,
going on mad on location.
Yeah, this is nice.
Yeah.
This is the kind of life I like, so I have to work very hard for it. And in spite of leaving movie projects, in spite of saying no to everything, I still like to live like a king. It's my style. So here we are with Mohak, Dad, and Raja Bhaiya, the awesome foursome. Best. मजा आ रहा है. I'll show you थोड़ा बहुत. और बताओ, what are they asking? Any questions or what's?
Everyone is saying Eid Mubarak. Obviously, that's the happening.
Yeah.
When are the brothers coming back together for a banger?
Arman and I, yeah. What kind of song you all want? यानी हम लोग सोच रहे हैं. We want to make a little bouncy vibe also, but still remain Amal Arman world, you know. Let's see. Emotional गाना चाहिए या vibey गाना चाहिए या दोनों चाहिए? We can make anything. Yeah. एक poll they should make ना on Twitter.
Yeah.
All the Armanians, Amalians साथ में एक poll बनाओ. What kind of song you want next from both the brothers? We'll try to work on that. और बताओ.
I love your song यही गुजार दूं.
Thank you so much.
It's amazing. Missing Uncle.
Which other songs of mine of your liked? यानी मेरे सारे music videos में से melody wise कौन सा best लगा? Music video wise कौन सा best लगा?
And
What are they saying about Uncle?
Missing Uncle, where is he करके?
Uncle will come now. If we call him, the live will end, guys. He'll come and attack the phone. हटाओ ये सब, मुझे lunch के लिए जाना है. हमने उनका lunch time delay कर दिया 2 घंटे से.
प्यार एक तरफा people are saying the song that you're asking na your favorite.
My best melody wise, you're like प्यार एक तरफा?
Yeah. A lot of them प्यार एक तरफा. यही गुजार दूं again.
You can do a mashup of प्यार एक तरफा into यही गुजार.
Not a bad idea.
For the shows also you should try. Going into both.
All your songs are best.
Because it can go na, if you do note we'll see, but if you take the antara of प्यार एक तरफा.
Yeah.
अभी कल ही तो मिली थी ख्वाबों के मोड़ पर वो भीगा था रात भर में बरसी थी रात भर में जादू है कि ऐसा जो मैं ही जानता हूँ उसको छुए बिना भी उसके गले लगा. From here you can join to यही गुजार दो also. अब उसके बिन एक पल मेरा नहीं गुजरता जो हाथ ये रहे तेरे साथ में मैं सारी जिंदगी यही गुजार दूं, चले भी जाओगे तो इंतजार में वो शाम आती यही गुजार दूं। इधर चल रहा मतलब हो डर जाएगा होटल पूरा।
डर
इमेजिन दिस इज मी राइट नाउ। आप लोगों को जो दिख रहा है ना रील्स वील्स पे कि किल कर रहा हूँ मैं, मेरी हेल्थ कंडीशन 50% कैपेसिटी पे चल रही है फिलहाल।
Yeah, everyone is asking how's your health also. That's
You tell them the truth. Let people know what real health है और real health है, बताइए।
Brother's been sleeping and trying to cover up his sleep that he has been like depth रहता है ना, missed depth रहता है. So that is
Since
happening.
2006.
Like 4 hours of sleep, 3 hours of sleep, and now he's finally like sleeping and getting some rest. But still, we have to continuously make music, so we have to still get up and do our own stuff. But he's getting more better sleep now.
But I fight every day with my mind. I mean, there are times जब उठने का ही मन नहीं होता, कुछ करने का ही मन नहीं होता। इन लोग पूछते जिम कब जाओगे? हम जिम शुरू करते 3 दिन बाद बॉडी इतनी अच्छी हो जाती, नजर लग जाती, फिर बीमार पड़ जाता बंदा। बाकी क्या बोल रहे हो? व्हाट्सअप संडे
Get well soon.
ऐसे होने चाहिए ना ब्लॉग।
Masti.
I hope the way it's going it goes even better. We keep traveling throughout India, through the world like this. You are so with me, brother. You're kidnapped for life. Done. Raja bhai is watching the same.
Get
live
well
inside.
soon.
Raja is sitting watching the same bloody live inside.
Inside, acha हाँ.
Hello, subscribe to my channel. Pay 500 rupees per month. बैठो बैठो।
Take care of your health, please, sir.
और बताओ, any song requests, questions? आवाज जा रही है ना मेरी?
हाँ, it's coming.
या water की वजह से नहीं आ रहा?
नहीं, fan था but
वैसे तो बुलंद आवाज है बंदे की, बताओ।
चिल्लाना मत please.
हाँ?
जोर है, फिर से यही गुस्सा. Looking such a cutie. Do this.
What is that?
No, not
I
this.
do this.
अरे
is
this.
my one. ये बिट्टा, ये that's my one. पता है when I was doing that song, in that the finale performance, एक रिहर्सल और एक टेक हुआ। फर्स्ट रिहर्सल में पूरा नी निकल गया, वो एक टर्न आता ना, have to go and fall on that Danube का that सोफा ऐसे गिर के।
Oh yeah, that
ऐसा-
one
ऐसा
ना,
कुछ
the
करना
finale
था।
one.
Bro, first time I fell, नी निकल गया, सूज गया था, आइस पैक लेके खड़े थे। Luckily that was
You did the rotation well, but that was really good.
I went little slow second time, but landed full. जितना भी मुश्किल था। बहुत दिन बाद also for us to see people suddenly. First 3 weeks, any place where you're away from home, you feel homesick. Then that place started becoming home. Then last day, when we saw 40 people come to shoot there, we felt ये तो set है. You know,
Yeah.
it's nice. But
You look so
I
happy
don't
after
know why
long.
that song people are asking me so many times, but I don't know why I'm not. Colors and all these, we have not released it. Beautiful one.
ये याद होगा क्या? What a
Should be out
song.
on streaming by now, यार.
What a song.
फोन करना पड़ेगा चैनल पे, अनफेयर बोलना पड़ेगा गाना। Where's the song I made? हाँ, क्योंकि these guys are asking lot of kids, lot of fans are saying where is it, why is not on Apple or Spotify?
But rights.
अरे राइट्स तो दे दिए भाई, कौन से राइट्स लेफ्ट रखे? राइट्स दे दिए हमने। कौन से राइट्स? शो में जो बना था उनका ही है।
Fair. Good times, man.
Even the other songs they sing, apart from Yahi Guzar Do, I'd sung 2-3 songs. No, I can't remove all of them. They belong to Jio.
Oh.
Yeah, we have to have a. They have to give an NOC. This
fair.
is a song पहले से only which is registered there. Yahi Guzar Do 8 years ago. और बताओ.
मैं रहूँ या ना रहूँ गाने के लिए बोल रहे हैं बहुत
Show
सारे.
me this.
Yeah.
इधर से भी I can see comment.
Yeah, you can.
Or they are seeing it on the laptop.
Yeah.
मैं रहूँ या ना रहूँ का क्या?
They're telling you to sing.
I'll sing. जाते जाते I'll sing only that.
Yeah, you can technically see the live comments.
The comments coming in immediately.
Not immediately, but like it's gonna take some time.
हमसे तो बातें ही नहीं कर रहे देर से बात कर रहे हो सब
नहीं, I represent all the Amalians technically.
बेबी हमारे लिए हुए You know how old this boy was when I met Suraj Dupai?
Bro, 10 years younger, I think. Like 15, 16.
In
16.
10th standard.
Yeah, no, I was in 12th.
Crazy. Cap उतारो, you want to see her curls. जैस्मिन के साथ सॉन्ग चाहिए. हाँ, इस पे अभी बात चल रही है. करेंगे. प्लान है. वजह तुम हो गाओ. क्रिश का गाना सुनेगा बोलता है कोई. क्रिश का गाना. कर्ल्स देखना है, कुछ कर्ल्स है नहीं वैसे. इतनी हालत है अभी. ये लो, देख लो. Dusty curls of mine. Enjoy. Here you go. This is what you want ना? You want like a head strip करवा दिया मुझे आपने. क्या करूँ मैं? मजा आ रहा है. अच्छे लग रहे हैं. मशरूम जैसे बाल. What do I even say? सुनते ही नहीं है. वजह होगी ना, टोपी पहना है, ऐसे थोड़ी पहनना है. बाल बने ही नहीं है. सॉन्ग रिक्वेस्ट सिर्फ एनी. मैं रहो के अलावा भी कुछ बताओ यार. मैं रहो तो हम गाएंगे. स्पेशल मोस्ट क्लोजेस्ट टू द हार्ट वाला गाना. क्या कमेंट्स आ रहे हैं? हंस रहे हो तुम? बताओ.
कुछ नहीं.
बोल सकते हो, दिखा सकते हो.
Where I pointed the mouse.
मैगी नूडल्स बोलते हैं. हाँ ठीक है, वही है. मैं खुद भी बोलता हूँ.
रोके ना रोके रहना. नैना, sorry. Slip of tongue.
रुके ना रुके नैना. ओके.
ये आईना is which song? I've never heard.
Never heard ये आईना. देखो, बोला था.
Man,
It is from कबीर सिंह.
कबीर सिंह ना.
उसमें श्रेया घोषाल is sung a song for me. और उसको लिया.
ये आईना.
ये आईना गाता हूँ. चलो तुम और
Go for it.
एक सामने वाले पार्टी की सॉन्ग रिक्वेस्ट ले लेते थे. अगेन वॉल्ट्स और मेरा कोई 3-4. आई हैव सम पास्ट लाइफ कनेक्शन टू दिस टाइम सिग्नेचर.
3-4.
Yeah, I feel so. It's a girl POV song, fully like Kabir. So you seen the movie?
Yeah, I have somewhat.
So that second girl is there who comes into his life. Kiara is the one he loves. There's another girl, Nikita, comes into his life.